Sawubona mngani. Welcome back to Zulu Lessons with Thando, the place for modern conversational Zulu language lessons. On the last video, we spoke about time. In this video, we're going to learn about all things weather. Friend, if you like these videos, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. It would really help the channel a lot. And even more especially, please join me on the Patreon website, www.patreon.com/Zulu lessons, and contribute towards the lessons. It will really go a long way. Thank you. Now, moving on to talking about weather in isiZulu. Here is the vocabulary related to all types of weather. I will say the word in English and then translate it to Zulu. And then I would say it in a sentence. Cold. Banda. Banda. Or makaza. Makaza. To say it is cold, you would say kuyabanda. Kuyabanda. Hot is shisa. Shisa. So to say it is hot, you would say kuyashisa. Kuyashisa. Humid is swakama. Swakama. So to say it is humid, you would say kuswakeme. Kuswakeme. The noun snow is iqwa, the same word as ice. However, the verb snow is kitika. So to say it is snowing, you would say liyakitika. Liyakitika. Kitika. Kitika. So note what we've been saying here. Kuyabanda. Kuyashisa. Ku is it. Ya is. Banda. Cold. Kuyabanda. It is cold. Now, there are two ways we could say this. We could either say liyabanda or kuyabanda. You can use these two interchangeably. Kuyabanda means it is cold. Liyabanda means the weather is cold. Now moving on with the vocabulary. Warm is fudumala. Fudumala. It is warm is kufudumele. Kufudumele. So we're saying it is warm without using the ya. We're now saying kufudumele. The noun rain is imvula. Imvula. The verb to rain is neta. Neta. So to say it is raining, you would say liyaneta or kuyaneta. Liyaneta, kuyaneta. Freeze is banda or makaza as well. To say it is freezing, you would say kumakaza. Again, same as it is cold. To drizzle is kiza. Kiza or kemeza. Kemeza. So to say it is drizzling, you would say liyakemezela. Liyakemezela or liyakiza. Liyakiza. What is it that is drizzling? Izulu. Izulu liyakemezela. Izulu liyakiza. The noun cloud is ifu. However, cloudy is guqubele. Guqubele. So to say it is cloudy, you would say liguqubele. Liguqubele. Fog is inkungu. Inkungu. So to say there is fog or it is foggy, you would say kunenkungu. Kunenkungu. So you're basically saying there is fog. The noun wind is umoya. Umoya. So to say it is windy, you would say kunomoya. Kunomoya or linomoya. Linomoya. There is a breeze. Kushaya umoya. Kushaya umoya. The word shaya means beat or hit. So it's like you're saying the wind is passing. So kushaya umoya. There is a breeze. Overcast is guqubala. Guqubala or hwaqabala. Hwaqabala. So to say it is overcast, you would say lihwaqabele. Lihwaqabele or liguqubele. Liguqubele. I normally just say liguqubele. Gloom means hwaqabala, same as overcast. Downpour is isiphihli. Isiphihli. So if there is a downpour of rain, you would say kunesiphihli semvula. Isiphihli. It is the correct word, but it's not commonly used. We would say liyayidliva imvula. There is a downpour of rain. Liyayidliva imvula. Or simply liyayidliva. Hail, the noun, is chotho, chotho, or chotho, chotho. To say it is hailing, you would say kunesichotho, kunesichotho, or kunesichotho, kunesichotho. People also commonly say it's raining stones, which means kunetha amatshe. Kunetha amatshe. Cool is pola. Pola. So to say it is cool, you would say kupholile. Kupholile or lipholile. Lipholile. Fine is ubuhle. Ubuhle. It is fine, you would say lihle. Lihle, which is really short for lihle isiZulu. Not the same fine as when you're agreeing to something, you'd say it is fine, kulungile. Kulungile. Dampness is umswakama. Umswakama. So let's practice some sentences regarding weather. It was cloudy yesterday. It was cloudy yesterday. Bekunamafu izolo. Bekunamafu izolo. Or you could also say belinamafu izolo. Now I'll explain the difference between the two. Bekunamafu, they were clouds. But if you say belinamafu, it had clouds. The weather or the sky had clouds. So bekunamafu izolo. Belinamafu izolo. It will be cold tomorrow. Kuzobanda kusasa. Kuzobanda kusasa. Or you could say lizobanda kusasa. Lizobanda kusasa. The first one, kuzobanda, we are saying it will be cold. Lizobanda, the second one, we are saying it is going to be cold. I think it's going to rain later. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuzonetha ntambama. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuzonetha ntambama. So I think ngicabanga, I think, ukuthi, meaning that, kuzonetha, it will rain, kuzo, it will rain, ntambama, afternoon. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuzonetha ntambama. It's a sunny day. Ilanga elishisayo. Ilanga elishisayo. Ilanga elishisayo. There is no soccer today because it is raining. Alikho ibhola namuhla ngoba kuyanetha. Alikho ibhola namuhla ngoba kuyanetha. Now soccer in Zulu is ibhola. Now to say there is no, alikho ibhola, soccer, namuhla, today, because ngoba kuyanetha. Or we could say alidlalwa ibhola namuhla ngoba kuyanetha. Alidlalwa ibhola namuhla ngoba kuyanetha. Alidlalwa is it is not being played. Ibhola, soccer, namuhla, today, ngoba kuyanetha, because it is raining. Let's ask questions about the weather. What's it like outside? Linjani phandle? Linjani phandle? Or kunjani phandle? Kunjani phandle? Or you could say linjani izulu phandle? Linjani izulu phandle? So now when we are now adding izulu as in the weather or the heavens, linjani izulu phandle. But if you say linjani phandle or kunjani phandle, you're simply saying how is it outside? How's the weather? Linjani izulu. Linjani izulu. What's the weather forecast? Sithini isibikezelo sezulu. Sithini isibikezelo sezulu. Sithini is what is it saying? Isibikezelo, the forecast, sezulu, of weather. So sithini isibikezelo sezulu. Another question would be, when did the rain stop? Iphele nini imvula? Iphele nini imvula? Or kuyeke nini ukunetha? Kuyeke nini ukunetha? So iphele nini would be, when did it stop? When did it end? When did it finish? Imvula, rain. So iphele nini imvula? When did the rain stop? Kuyeke nini ukunetha? When did it stop raining? Kuyeke nini? When did it stop raining? Ukuyeka is to stop. Like if I'm telling you to stop doing something. Yeka ukuba ngumsindo. Stop making noise. Yeka lokho. Stop that. So, kuyeke nini ukunetha then is, when did it stop raining? It is raining heavily. Linetha kakhulu. Linetha kakhulu. Or liyayidliva. Liyayidliva. Continuing with our vocabulary, flood is isikhukhula. Isikhukhula. Drought is isomiso. Isomiso. Puddle is isichibi. Isichibi or ichaphozi. Ichaphozi. I personally always say ichaphozi. Rainbow is uthingo lwenkosazana. Uthingo lwenkosazana. Smog is isisi. Isisi. Thunder is ukuduma kwezulu. Ukuduma kwezulu. So ukuduma is to thunder. A hurricane is isiphepho. Isiphepho or Isivunguvungu. Isivunguvungu. That's for hurricane, cyclone, and typhoons. A tornado is inkanyamba. Inkanyamba. Or isishingishane. Isishingishane. The forecast or a forecast is inhlaziyo yezulu. Inhlaziyo yezulu. Or ukubikezela kwezulu. Ukubikezela kwezulu. Lightning is umbani. Umbani, which is also the same word that is also used for electricity. We also say umbani. However, for electricity, we also commonly say ugesi. Another word for lightning is unyazi. Unyazi. Sunburn, ukushiswa ilanga. Ukushiswa ilanga. Thunderstorms, ukuduma kwezulu. Ukuduma kwezulu. There is a strong wind outside. Kunomoya omkhulu phandle. Kunomoya omkhulu phandle. Or kunesivunguvungu phandle. Kunesivunguvungu phandle. There was a drought in Zimbabwe last year. Bekunesomiso eZimbabwe ngonyaka odlule. Bekunesomiso eZimbabwe ngonyaka odlule. What's the weather like in Texas in January? Linjani izulu eTexas ngoJanuary? Linjani izulu eTexas ngoJanuary? It's sunny today. Kuyashisa namuhla. Or liyashisa namuhla. Or liyashisa namhlanje. It is hot and humid today. Kuyashisa futhi liswakeme namuhla. Kuyashisa futhi liswakeme namuhla. It is a nice day today. Lihle namuhla. Lihle namuhla. Or remember, today is also namhlanje. It is snowing outside. Liyakhithika emnyango. Liyakhithika emnyango. Or liyakhithika phandle. Liyakhithika phandle. Emnyango or phandle are both used interchangeably for outside. It is drizzling. Liyakhemezela. It is raining. Take an umbrella. Liyanetha. Thatha isambulela. Liyanetha. Thatha isambulela. Remember, there is no R in isiZulu. That's it for today. Thank you, my friend. Please remember to go on to Patreon to support the channel. I appreciate you very much. And may you have a wonderful day and a wonderful life. I'll see you on the next lesson. Sala kahle mngani.